Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. This is long division standard method of division. In this video, I will tell you where to put a zero in the quotient, like if it is 332, and in which numbers do we put a zero on the quotient, or like what. Okay, and then I will tell you that what numbers can never be a remainder, how to find the right remainder of a number, and I will tell you that what is the effect of place value concept in this long division standard method. So let's start. My first number is 165 divided by 5. Okay, so first of all, it is very simple question. We have to see the first digit. Is it greater than the divisor or less than? It is less than the divisor. So I will take first two digits. Number 16. 5 3 times is 15. Because 16 is not divisible by 5, we will take something that is less than 16. Okay, 16 minus 15 is 1, and then 5 will get down. 5 3 times is 15. So it is the simplest question of long division, and we will increase the level of complexity, and I will explain you the confusions of students in the class. Okay, now next number is 780. Again, we are going to divide it by 5 because I want to show you what will you do when the first digit is greater than its divisor. When the first digit is greater, then first we will divide first digit, like 5 1 times is 5 and 2 left, then 8 will get down, and 5 5 times is 25, 3 will get down. 3, you will get 3 after subtraction, and 0 will get down. 5 6 times is 30. Okay, so 156 is our answer. Now I will tell you where to put a 0 in the quotient. If the number is 432 and it is divisible by 4, you have to divide it by 4. You will first see the first digit. 4, 1 times is 4, and then 3 will get down. You cannot divide 3 by 4. You need to put a 0 here. You will put a 0 here when you have to take 2 digits down. These 2 digits down at the same time in the same step. Right? I am repeating, when you are taking 2 digits down in the same step, then you will put a 0 on the quotient. Okay? So, 4 8 times is 32. Here your answer is 108. Okay, now we will do next question. In this next question, I will tell you that what number cannot be a remainder. 4361 divided by 4. Okay, 4 1 times is 4, and again you have to get 2 numbers down at the same time, so you will put a 0 on the top. Then 4 9 times is 36, and this one will get down from the top. Is it a remainder? No. Any number that gets down from the top is not a remainder. Remainder always comes after subtraction. So you will do 4 0 times is 0, and then 1 minus 0 is 1 left. Now this is the remainder, and on the top you have 1090. If you will not put another 0, it will just 109. That is wrong. Like 109 remainder 1 is wrong. This is correct. 1090 with a remainder 1 is the correct answer to this question. Okay, now we will do a question when we have a 0 in between. Divided by 6. Okay, 6 1 times is 6. 2 left, 0 will get down. 6 3 times is 18, 2 left, 7 will get down. 6 4 times is 24 and 3 will be the remainder. Remainder always comes after subtraction and remainder is always less than its divisor. Like 3 is less than 6. Remainder can never be greater than this divisor. Remember this point. Now we will do long division, a double digit division. 3, 4, 9, 6 divided by 13. Okay, 13, we have to divide first two digits. 13 one times is 13, 13 two times is 26, and 13 three times is 39. 39 is greater than 34, so we will do 13 two times is 26. When we are dividing first two digits, we will write the quotient on the top of the second number that we are dividing. I will not write 2 here, it will be wrong. So 34 minus 6 is, we will take carry here. 14 minus 6 is 8 and 9 will get down. Then now we have to see where 89 comes. Let's try 13 multiply by, we know that 13 10 times is 130. We need something less than 130, so let's multiply it by 8. 8 3 times is 24. 8 1 times is 8. It is 104. That is greater. Let's do 13 7 times. 21. 7 1 times is 7. 8 9. That is again greater. Now we will do 13 6 times. 6 3 times is 18. 6 1 times is 6 and then 7. 6 times is 78. Now what is left? 9 minus 8 is 1 and then 1 and this 6 will get down. Okay, now we will see where 116 comes. Let's try it with 13 9 times. 13 9 times is 9 3 times is 27. 9 1 times is 9 10 11. 117 is a bit greater than 116, so we will take 8. 13 8 times is 104. Now subtract it. 6 minus 4 is 2. 1 will get down as it is. And we did it at 8 times. Okay, so 12 is our remainder. And we know that anything that you get after subtraction can be a right remainder, and the other thing is remainder should be less than its divisor. I hope I have explained many confusions in this video and you understand it well. If you want to ask anything, you can ask me in comment section and inshallah I will reply you. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.